need to get one. See the one on that window there?
Yeah.
You need to get one before the next run.
Okay. From scoot
Left lane.
bearing.
Left lane. Did they not give you one because you didn't go get one?
Oh, I don't know, you know. I was down there.
signed at 129, so...
It still went 980.
Yeah, 989 at 129.
Did it?
It looked like it got out of the hole really hard. Like, really hard.
Is that right? Because, yeah, I thought
It
I
felt like
almost stalled it coming out off the line.
No, it looked like it just, like, took off off the line. It looked like you were passing by top gear, like first gear.
Oh, I was, yeah. Really, 989, and I was backed off when I put it in the top.
Oh,
I
you were
put
already
it
backed
top,
off.
and then I just backed off, and then just stabbed it, and then I backed off again.
Just to make sure you stayed
Yeah.
Maybe this worked,
I
eh?
stabbed it once in top gear.
That, just to make sure you stayed in front.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I probably don't need to be recording.
Is that right?
I don't know how you got beat.
What?
He had the wind light come up.
He had the wind light?
Yeah, I thought so. He had the wind light, didn't he? Yeah.
Oh, did he?
Break out or? No, 960 with a 2.
Oh, so a lot. I thought I won.
What did you thought you won?
Oh, okay.
It was,
the wind light was on in his line.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go.
even though you went straight on your Darwin.
Oh, okay. Oh, well. There you go.
You think you went past him?
No, but well, not really. I thought I might have caught him at the finish line. Oh, well. Must only have been that much in it.
Well, it looked close. I thought you'd gone past him
Yeah.
where I was. Obviously at the beginning of the track, but...
Yeah. Oh, well.
Because he was off his diamond too. He did 10.10 and he ran a 10.15.
Yeah. Oh, well, it could be that my start
Light.
was that bad. Must have been
Light.
such a bad light. Yeah. But I thought the guy down the end gave me the signal.
The wind,
Yeah.
who knows, maybe the wrong light came
And the people over there were saying he was the guy in he thought he lost.
up. The guy in the Capri.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Maybe they hit the wrong wind light.
No.
No, the
I know.
light
I know.
came on in his lane.
Yeah,
Oh, well, in
definitely.
that case, that's it then, baby. More? Oh, good. No, you can
Oh, wait,
have
yeah, sorry.
that. If you have a hat, that'd be great. Thank you.
Starting to get used to it though.
066 wasn't so bad.
No,
No?
but his 066 was better.
Yeah. 066? Shit. Ah, well.
Just giving up.
Ready more for us.
Attention racers, can we please have bracket B for Bravo to the staging lane?
Went
Just repeating that
close.
bracket B for Bravo to the
Went close.
staging lane. Thank you.
It wouldn't have been much at the top end.